Well, people don't just do that with their investments in relationships. That's why their relationships fall apart. They do that with their investments in stocks. That's why their portfolios get killed. So ultimately, Warren Buffett de-risks his portfolio by waiting. If it goes south and everything drops, he just waits, or maybe he'll buy more. He'll buy more in the dip, and he just sits back and waits. And then 5 years from now, whatever was freaking you out 5 years ago, you don't even remember it. Like if I was to ask any of you in this room, what was the stock market doing in November of 2022? You don't know. But if maybe I could show you though a videotape of yourself looking at your portfolio in November 2022 and freaking out, pulling your hair out. Oh my God, I gotta sell everything, right? And you would look at that and say, oh my God, I don't even remember that day. So that's what I'm saying. Big perspective, long-term perspective. That's how you de-risk. The other thing that he does is he doesn't invest in a lot of growth, extreme growth companies that are like pre-revenue. Like I bet he probably hasn't invested in Oklo. A lot of you have made insane amounts of money on Oklo. Warren Buffett probably has not. Warren Buffett buys these big, boring companies, like Coca-Cola, and he'll buy insurance companies, and some of these turn out to be great long-term investments. Like he bought a lot of shares of that Chinese company. I think it's called Baidu that makes all these like they make cars better than Elon Musk, and they charge less, and the cars are just so much better, and they produce more. And there's a part of Elon Musk that is brilliant. There's a part of him that's frustrating. There's a part of him that's fraudulent. In fact, Marquez Brownlee, who's a very prominent influencer, he's one of my favorite black influencers. He doesn't get it. He's not into shenanigans. He's not running some kind of crazy minstrel show to get attention. He's just a tech guy, and he just talks about technology, and I just love him. I love it when black people get to just be human and smart and not have to, act crazy to get attention. So Marquez Brownlee, who's interviewed Elon Musk, he just announced on his podcast where he said, "I put $50,000 down on a Tesla Roadster in 2017, and I still haven't gotten the car yet." He said they've been holding my money, my 50,000, for 8 years, and I asked for my money back, and it was really hard to get my money back. So I'm sure Elon was not happy about that. But that's the thing about Musk is that's another thing that makes him risky. But anyway, so in terms of investing, let's circle back to Buffett because I don't remember how Musk even came in the conversation. But with Buffett, Buffett does not invest in crazy high growth companies. That's right, we're talking about Baidu, but he did invest in like Apple, a big investment in Apple in 2016. He made billions of dollars from that. So he tends to invest in solid, stable companies, but he doesn't invest in high risk, pre revenue companies.